Hey guys, some people been asking me when we're buying actor helper kit uh, for the scares, what system to put, and I told them, you know what, it all depends how loud is your sound. You know, your sound needs to be amplified with good sound, good subwoofer. But most system ask starting from $100, $150 to $100. Most popular it's a PA system, but comes with two speakers and basically most people only one speaker. Or karaoke. Karaoke is like also $100 to $200 system. It's very popular, and people asking, can you figure out anything cheaper? And it just occurred to me, you know what? We can use a guitar amplifier. So I'm not really a music guy, but this two units I got from Amazon for testing. This one was $39.99. This one is $44, $44.99. They look the same, look identical, but this one is much louder than that one. And what's great, so just that's actor helper are hooked up here, and when you have aux input, volume control doesn't work. This controls for the guitar, for your instrument, so it's not affecting your audio input. So your volume control here, so that's why I designed it to put here, so you control your volume from here, how loud you want to be, because none of this control gonna work, and both units is the same hardware. And so let's test it. So I hooked up my actor helper right here. I put 4 scary demo files coming in together. And so I'm gonna put half volume right now, a little bit down. Okay. That's audio. So let's put full audio. That's right unit for $44.99. You know what, for great bass, it's only one speaker, you know, it's just basic system, but it has a good audio for your basic home hunt from bass, you know, for $44. It couldn't be that one. Let's plug to this unit. Okay. And because my unit output a mono channel, that's all you need, it's a mono. That's why I designed like that. Yeah, they're really close to each other, but I really like this one. This one will give you more bass. $39.99, $44.99 is going to be linked below. I'm not advertising. I'm just putting links because I'm not affiliated with that stuff, but you can use my links to buy this stuff. Enjoy!